Welcome back. Today we are going to be testing and reviewing the new Outin Nano portable espresso maker. This thing is pretty dang cool. Now, yeah, that is really good. Let's go ahead and unbox it and then make a fresh cup of espresso. Now the packaging for this is so nice. Box, super nice box. As you can see, they're indicating they want you to take it and go places. Comes with instructions on how to do everything, your little guidebook, how to use your Nano. Nice foam packaging, and there it is. So it comes with your little cup. This is for your pods. This is your measuring cup for grounds, charging cable, and your Nano. So let's go ahead and get this thing out, and let's make a cup of espresso. Just take a scoop of grounds here. Dump those in right here. There we go. And pack those in. Like that. Okay, and that goes over the top of that. That goes like that. All right, and now we screw that back into the main Nano. Next thing, gonna put a little bit of water in. It does have little measurements here of 50 milliliters and 70 milliliters. Or 1.7 ounces and 2.4 ounces. Go ahead and add my water. This is gonna be good. There we go. Put my little top on. And I'm just gonna use the cup that came with it. Press and hold for 2 seconds. There we go, it turns on. Now I just have cold water in it, so this should take about 4 minutes. If you use warm water or hot water, it's way quicker.
If you've got that someone that you just do not know what to get for Christmas, or someone who has everything, or that person that's on the go, check out Outin. They have got a holiday bundle with extra little goodies included with that. Just follow the link down below, take you directly to their website, and give you all the information that you may need.
As you can hear, it's all warmed up and it is heating and brewing our espresso. Okay, sounds like it finished up. All right, that looks good. Nice creme at the top. Nice and hot. Yeah, that is really good. Look at that. If you're looking for a portable espresso maker, check out the Outin Nano. This thing's pretty dang cool. I could see taking it out to soccer games or up in the mountains, you know, on any adventure you're going on, fit in a pack. Yeah, not a big deal. And then you get delicious espresso wherever you're at, which that's never a bad thing. So click on the link down below. You can save yourself 10%. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all those sort of things, and enjoy your weekend.